I show you what you did to me? You didn't do that. You didn't do that. You didn't do that.
Look, Florida DL by number.
Right identified, don't move.
All right, hold on.
Do not move.
I don't have anything.
No, we're just taking this off.
Like I'm a woman. I don't have any ability of resistance. I didn't even want it to.
All right, hold on.
I got it.
I promise to God, I'm not. Anyway.
Pop me on the top of my head.
Come on over here. Where is
Hit him though, the officer?
She smacked him on top of the head.
Well, that's hitting him, okay? You can show him without actually touching him.
On March 5, 2022, officers in Florida responded to a dispute involving an elderly victim. The subject told multiple times to leave refused, then asked an officer if she could show him what happened. She struck the officer on the top of his head. The contact was intended as a demonstration. The law charged it as a felony.
Well, we had this.
Baby, that's the old lady. I don't know if you think I don't know the law. I wouldn't know because the old lady. Now, the old lady came down the law.
It's on video. Let's go. Don't put your hands. Stop resisting. You got it. Got it. She had every chance to walk away. She had absolutely every chance just to leave.
No, I'm just coming.
No, the other friend got taken off. Now, she had all chances to leave. The friend tried to talk sense to her.
Excuse me, sir.
You got the handcuff in there.
I haven't even.
Hold on. You can slide it out,
Excuse me.
One second. Stop moving.
Sit up. I'm confused. I didn't even touch that man. What are you?
Ready? You're full.
164 Central.
You gotta take your dog.
We'll get
in the cuffs too.
stuck in there. No. 161 and Sergeant Jones and Sergeant Sleeper are with him. We'll get it.
About your dog.
No, I know it's not about my dog.
Hang out over there for us, okay? I know. But when you touch me, that's a no-no.
Look all the time, like.
Is that her only one?
What? No, I'm literally not bad.
Stop.
We're gonna take pictures of the injuries.
We're gonna get all the pictures.
That's all I see. Face. Well, we got that one. The face, maybe. Look this way. Look, got dirt.
And a wrist.
Look that way.
No, like, I'm so sorry.
Hey, it's all good. Now your identification is set.
And a wrist. She's bleeding right there.
No, this is...
I don't want to take them off yet until she gets here.
Stop moving around.
I got it.
You got it? Coming up here. It's okay. Did you hit me on the top of my head?
3 Victor 164
Hey,
Central.
can I show you what you did to me? You didn't do that. You didn't do that. You didn't do that.
Look, Florida DL by number.
Right identified in the whole move.
Alright.
All right, hold on.
Do not move.
I don't have anything.
No, we're just taking this off.
Being like I'm a ruin. I don't have any intention of resistance. I didn't even want it to be.
All right, hold on.
I promise to God, I'm not. Anyway.
Pop me on the top of my head.
I
Come on over here. Where is? Hit him though, the officer.
She smacked him on top of the head.
Well, that's hitting him. Okay, you can show him without actually touching him.
I
though.
didn't touch him on
You
the
didn't even tell me ahead of time, hey, can I show you what you did?
Right. So
I was
cannot
holding the
put
whole.
She's got a
Hey.
she's got a bracelet, just so you know.
Take it.
I have a.
Take it.
We're gonna get the
I'm so confused.
Whenever
Where
you're.
are the keys?
Yeah, put it on top of the handcuffs so we can get it off.
Just give me a whole bunch of my.
Stop moving, please. Thank you.
Bro, what is?
Did she take the whole purse?
Just give it on to her. You're taking for explaining to you what I got arrested for. Something doesn't really have to be that hard.
Yeah, they're being uploaded
It's on
now.
me.
Go to man.
Bitch, I ain't got no drugs. What you making me so hard for, bro? No, cause now I'm gonna call the bro. But what you making me so hard for? I told that police what happened.
Hold on.
Top of my head.
Serious?
You're not allowed to touch an officer.
No, I would make conversation with you.
If I face like that,
Don't you what that girl did to me? And
what you say, hey officer, can I show you what you did to me?
she still got me.
You were all like, da. Go ahead, put it in.
I got into a fight in high school. And the girl beat me up because I won't get arrested. So I wish you would show me a video of me touching that lady back.
It'll all be evidence. That'll all be evidence.
It's fine.
Because we were both standing there with our cameras.
Yeah.
And you went like
You
this
asked
to
me
her.
what happened, and I said, this is what happened. And I told you I should got me with my head. And you threw me on the
No,
ground.
this is the second time we had to deal with you. When you tried to come back. You were like, yeah, you were like, what's your name? Blah, blah, blah. You hit me in the top of the head. Remember that? You were recording.
Alright,
You were on
baby,
the phone.
tomorrow you gonna see us in court. I wish you would show me touch it. I would never touch it.
Let's put her in the van.
Ariel!
We're done. Goodbye.
Tell the Ray, take you to
So
jail.
crazy.
You get to see the judge in the morning.
Oh, y'all pussy as fuck. I don't know.
Okay. Are we waiting for motor medics? Huh? Are we waiting for the medics? Yeah. All right, just hang out here so they can look at Let her out. They're right here. You're just gonna have a seat right there at the edge.
Just sit there.
I wouldn't mind going through the fucking instructor's class.
She just has a scrape on her shoulder. She's bleeding from her.
Oh, okay.
Just
Oh, okay.
because they're gonna.
Let me go grab your bag.
Okay.
Hey, LT.
Hey, buddy.
Confused on what, like where you are or what's going on, or
No, that police officer I knew what was going on when they said they were upset on my dog being a service dog because I was confused on why the dog had a problem with my dog. And all of a sudden the cop was like, what happened? And I was like, this lady all of a sudden grabbed me by my head. They showed me how she got me and all of a sudden I was on the ground. So I'm very much confused. If any of y'all witnessed something else, like please tell me you witnessed something else.
we've told you several times when we witnessed.
There's no, when the lady said we're getting the police, and the guy came, I told him, let me explain to you what happened because I'm very confused. I have a service dog for my wife and everything. My dog's not a biter. My dog isn't licking. My dog's just walking. And you don't think my dog gonna come in a lie. And then a lady who had nothing to do with the store. They told me, we understand. There's a lady who had nothing to do with the store. The one that started fighting me, right? Like on some Daytona stuff. I don't even work out here. We don't deal with this stuff in my club. Like at all.
Hi. You got the shoulder and the wrist, LT. Okay.
Under Florida Statute Section 784, 0-7, battery on a law enforcement officer engaged in lawful duties is a third-degree felony up to 5 years in state prison. The same act that constitutes a misdemeanor when directed at a civilian becomes a felony when directed at an officer performing official functions. The statute contains no exception for demonstrative intent. Battery requires only an intentional touching, not an intent to harm, not an intent to commit a crime. When the subject struck the officer's head to show how she was assaulted, the physical contact completed every element of the offense. The purpose of the contact is legally irrelevant. The initial dispute involved an elderly victim whose injuries were documented on camera. Under Florida Statute Section 784, 0-8, battery on a person 65 or older is reclassified to the next higher degree. Combined with the officer battery, the subject faced multiple felony-level charges from a single encounter. Officers documented that the subject was given every opportunity to leave before the situation escalated. Her refusal to depart, followed by the physical contact, added resisting without violence under Section 843, 0-2. Each refusal narrowed her options until arrest was the only remaining outcome. The officers receive a B+. The arrest was legally justified and the refusal to leave documentation was thorough. The deduction reflects a missed opportunity when the subject asked to show what happened. The response should have been, "Tell me, don't show me." That verbal redirect could have prevented the felony entirely. The subject receives a D+. Her contact with the officer was genuinely demonstrative, a misjudgment, not an attack, but misjudgment does not change the legal classification. She struck an officer, refused multiple chances to leave, and was involved in an altercation with an elderly person. Confusion about the law is not a defense. The lesson is simple and absolute. Never physically demonstrate an assault on a police officer's body. Describe it verbally. Point to your injuries. Gesture in the air. Show a video. Touch your own head. Any method without contact is legal. The one method that involves contact physical reenactment is a felony. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.